Hi guys, and welcome to a new video of Exhcnage. Today we'll take another look into the charts. This is the drawing I made during yesterday's video. I was long from around here when I heard the news about the China banning mining, stuff. I didn't act on it quick. I was, doubting about the impact it would have. Anyway, I was still long, over here I made a video and I was expecting something like this. Didn't play it, had to cut it, around here. Quite painful, and you can see over here how it played out. This blue line exactly is what I was drawing, and I must say this is a rare moment. I draw something so perfectly and do not act on it. Didn't act on it, so a little bit of pain from my side. It's weekend, I'm not sure if we should be looking at this, so we won't really take a look into this. S&P 500 closed kind of well, consolidating it seems like, higher lows, lower highs, a bit of an inverse head and shoulder over here on the Nasdaq. I mean, everything is looking good. Dixie over here, very weak, barely any bounces here. So that's looking good. Slow that, and yeah, that is about it. I mean, for Bitcoin, I'm still expecting the same over here, consolidating over here, bomb up. We had some spike today in price when Elon tweeted again. He was basically saying some, I don't know, he liked crypto, that's basically what he said. And we had some price movements on that. I'm still expecting something like this. Everybody is wiped already. Everyone who was long or on the bull side has been wiped, is out already. Every coin, that entered Bybit in, I would say, November, already is evaporated. All those new traders are evaporated already. We can see that on the open interest. I was talking about it last few days, but we can assume, they're all gone. Open interest over here, it was around 1 billion over here. January, 700 million, and then it went up. First spike, 3.6, second one, 3.8-ish, and from there, all the way down. So yeah, liquidity is a little bit gone from derivatives. I do expect Bitcoin to go up again soon. I expect the bottom is in for Ethereum as well. If it reaches something like this again, or Bitstamp went a lot lower like usual than others, but I'm expecting upside again. However, Ethereum Bitcoin is looking a little bit weak over here. Seems to be coming down over here a little bit too eagerly. So I would say support at 0.054-ish. Where does that support come from? Let's go to the daily. And yeah, that's coming from here. I think, there's kind of a case Ethereum comes from there. Ethereum from a fundamental point is looking way stronger, especially with the upgrade they're getting, less. I mean, it's fundamentally a lot more bullish, a lot more energy efficient as well. Which, the words of Elon, those will have an impact longer than people might expect. The green lobby is very strong. You should know that by now. So those words will echo a lot, sadly. And yeah, we have to thank our friend Elon for that. CRV, consolidating, no new lows, but yeah, we do need to see some power. Would be happy if they get back above 240. Nothing really changed since yesterday's video. SNX week, need to get back above $15 ASAP. Higher time frame is looking kinda weak over here. I mean, everything basically. Litecoin very weak as well. you know, I would be happy for now, even if they get above 185, basically. Just these highs. Do we see something on it for a higher time frame? 4 hours maybe. Yeah, very important area over here. You can see it, you know, with your bare eyes. A lot of action on it. 4 hours on SRM. SRM, very important support over here. Need to get back up. We can see some places over here, there, and there. And it's a slow death for yeah, a lot of stuff. Whoa. BNB, what are you doing? I mean, I'm not a big BNB fan anyway. Maybe it's so weak because I heard some rumors. Chinese people are not allowed to play with leverage anymore on Huobi. Could be bearish as well. BNB, you know, resistance. I would say this level retested here as well. Bearish retested, and this level, you know, should, yeah, just should hold for BNB. I wouldn't buy it here. It's looking way too weak for me. Looking at those alts, you know, I think they can really get a lot more pain. Link as well, you know, it's yeah, I just don't know. I wouldn't touch it. This is on Binance. You just want them to get back above this level. Not sure if you guys can see it, you know, but had some candle close over here, had a retest on it over here, so needs to get back above 26. If it gets below 22, you know, you put your stop there. Aim for 26. If it breaks 26 with a 4-hour close, you can long it till, let's say, over here, 32. And that is already about it for today. I'm leaning bullish on Bitcoin. I think all the pain has been done. Fundings, you know, not something I like. I want a more negative USD margined, more negative. But yeah, that is about it for today. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Please subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. We can also take a little bit of a bigger look on Bitcoin if you guys want. I mean, yeah, these are basically the lines, you know, that matter. As you can see, this level of 42k-ish plays a really big role. Had a lot of bounces on it over here. Bearish retest on it here. We really need to get back above that one. If we get back above 42k, the bull run is intact for now, you know. Watch out a little bit. If you get back below last night's low, you know, it's basically over. Do we see something else? I want to keep that line standing because then I can chest pump myself in it tomorrow. This is a trend line I'm seeing. Yeah, really would love it to pump over there. Yeah, I'm betting everything upside. Don't know about you guys. Be careful. Use closed margin. Decide what you are willing to lose. Risk management is everything. Do not lose too much per trade because, I mean, a championship is it's a saying, you know, I've heard. A championship is won on your worst days. And the same with trading, you know. Trading is managing your worst days. Because if you lose your collateral to trade with, yeah, you cannot trade anymore. So capital preservation is the most important thing, guys. Make sure you understand that. Do not risk too much per trade. Use closed margin. Adjust your leverage so it is close to your stop. So in that case, you know, you can only lose your closed margin collateral. In that way, you know, if there's an exchange F up, you do not lose everything. That is very important. That's big alpha. Make sure you know that. Back in the day, I used to have a lot of slippage on BitMEX, for example. Even under 10k, you know, I had $300 slippage, and that's really a big loss. You know, you can have a profitable trade, stop in profit, and then it just slips till you have a losing trade. So just make sure you be careful with that. Like I said, close margin, adjust your leverage, trade on Bybit. The sign up links in the video description, and I see you guys again tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe.